Hey guys, to graph a line that's given to you is as an equation in point-slope form, don't waste your time switching it into slope-intercept form. It's not necessary because in point-slope form, you have a point and you have a slope. So if we take a look at this point-slope form, my point is 2, -3, and you can go back to your notes on point-slope form to double check why it's 2, -3, and my slope is 1/2. Keep in mind that the slope tells you how to get from point to point. So first thing we have to do is plot the point at 2, -3. So now that I have my point at 2, -3, I'm going to rise and run to my next point. Since my slope is 1/2, that means I'm going to go up 1 and 2 to the right to my next point. So up 1 and 2 to the right, up 1, 2 to the right, get 1 and 2. All right, up 1, 2 to the right, and then you have your line. So that's how you graph a line if the equation is given to you in point-slope form. You do not need to switch it to y = mx + b, as from point-slope form, you've got a point and a slope.